So someone made over 9,000 naira profit by selling 1 keg of palm oil. Now, when did she buy the palm oil? I was chatting with her this morning and she told me she bought 1 keg at 38,000 naira, and then she bought the rubber for 5,000 naira. So if you add your 38,000, right, plus keg, which is 5,000, new keg, that is, she bought one for 43,000. She bought 1 keg of palm oil at 43,000 naira, and this was around February, when everyone was just going into palm oil. And I made my video here too during that same time, explaining how you can make at least 3 million weekly trading these products. For some people who have watched the video, many people took actions, and by now they should be in profit already. So this woman, she told me she bought it 43,000, that is plus the keg and everything. Now, if she decides to sell the oil now, in some places, she can sell this oil for 50,000. Some people are selling for 52,000 currently as we speak in some states, right? So do your calculation now. Let's assume she bought 500 keg. 500 keg. She bought 500 keg, right? So let's assume she bought for 43, and she wants to sell now at just, let's say, 50,000. 50,000 minus 43,000. That is, she have made 7,000 naira per keg in less than 3 months. The palm oil she bought, in less than 3 months, she has already made how much? 7,000 per keg. Now multiply 7,000 by 500. That is over 21. That is over 21 million. Or let's say 7,000 naira. Let's do 7,000 by 500 is 3.5 million. That is what she has made as profit. She bought a product for 43,000. She sold for 50,000 in less than 4 months, and she is in profit of 3.5 million naira. So you're watching this video now and you're wondering, is it the best time for you to buy palm oil? Or many people ask me, when should I buy my oil and how long will it take me to sell the oil? So I think this video is dedicated to answer that question, because many people have reached out to me. And this is not limited just to palm oil, but any agricultural product that you're buying. The time to sell is not determined by the number of months or number of weeks. That should not be your main determinant. What you should be looking at is your profit. Now, when you do your storage, at least in Africa, or let me say Nigeria to be precise, we don't have a digital system where you can check the price. It's not like stock market, where you can go online to check if the stock of, say, Fidelity Bank or the stock of, say, Zenith Bank is doing well. Then you can sell to cash out. No. Here, the only way you can monitor what you have stored is by asking questions in the market. So for some of us, we have people that are in almost all the market, right? I have someone in Port Harcourt, I have someone in Kano, I have someone in Kaduna, I have someone in Ghana, I have someone in almost most of the places I'm going to sell my product to. So what I do normally every day or every market day, I can just call them, how much are you selling this product now? They will update me. So I'm following up. I'm trying to understand when my product I've bought have increased so that I can sell, right? I'm not just waiting, because many people buy this product and they end up at a loss because they buy it and keep, and they are hoping maybe when the price increase, the product will call them to come and carry and say, no, you're the one to do that research. So when you buy, you don't just buy and keep. Because of this, many people buy and they be at a loss because they didn't even know what is going on in the market. So if you bought palm oil around January, February, you are in profit already. And if I were you, I would just sell it out. I would just sell out. I was speaking with one of my suppliers in Akwa Ibom, and she was telling me that the way things are, even then that are here, they might end up selling this product for maybe 80,000, 70,000. And I say it's true, because even last year, we sold for 75,000, 70,000. So if you are going to buy your palm oil, what you should consider is how you are going to monitor the market. You can get someone to be doing that job for you. Just give the person small money. Sometimes it's just more airtime. Just send to the person who is in the market, what is happening. At the mill, I have people, almost 4 to 5 different people at the mill that I call to compare my prices, right? In the market where this product is selling, I have people there. So someone bought the product, the same product that you have now. She bought very early, and now the palm oil is around 50,000, 52,000, 55,000, depending on your location. Maybe in the north, or let me say some northern states, it might be even up to 60,000. I don't know, but it should be over more than that, because if I'm buying oil from Akwa Ibom, or let me say Cross River, and someone is telling me almost 50,000 or 52,000, you should know that in north, or let me say in region where they don't have this product, the price will be very high. So this is how to make your market research. And I won't say this is the wrong time to buy, but if you're buying oil now, you need to be very careful, because the possibility of making profit is there. We know for sure that in the next 2 months, the product will not drop to 30,000. It's practically impossible. It has not happened, because I'm not sure the palm fruit will start producing more oil today. And I'm not sure people will start saying we are tired of using palm oil, right? So as long as people are still going to use palm oil, as long as the palm fruit will not produce within this week and next month, it means that the demand for this product is going to increase. This is not like gambling. You're just using the normal way things are being done. You're calculating based on what is there in the market for you to know that this product is going to increase in price. So if I were you, maybe I can just buy a little and store, even at 50,000. If I can get it for 50,000 plus delivery to my point, I will still buy. So when I buy, my goal is that I'm targeting, once my profit margin is like 3,000, I will sell, or 5,000, I will sell. Many people will be waiting. I want my profit margin to be 10,000. I will not say you're greedy, because you're in business to make money, but you also have to be very careful so that you don't lose money along the line. And another danger is that as this product is increasing in price, remember, we have some people who are not, let me say, they are greedy. They want to make a lot of money. So those people that are going to supply you this palm oil, they can also dilute it, because they will know, if I have more of this quantity, I'm going to make more money. People are coming for it. So they can increase the quantity of the product they have and sell to you. So you have to be very careful now. If you want to go into this product, you have to be very careful. Make sure the person that is supplying you is legit and is trustworthy person. It's not someone that is looking at making big profit quick. It's somebody that is looking at building a relationship with you that can last, right? That is the only way you can trust such product. Because even as the price is high, if you buy the one that is not good and you store, you will end up losing the capital that you have used. So in order not to lose your capital, get this oil from a reputable vendor, right? If you can go to the mill yourself, you can go. Even maybe if you go to the mill, if you're working with a criminal, the person will still cheat you. So even going to the mill does not guarantee that you're going to get the best product, but it's a kind of, maybe to help you. Sometimes even when you get there, they will even cheat you the more, since you don't even know it. So just work with someone who is trustworthy, who has been into the business. The person should give you the best product. But it's a profitable product, and people are making profits with it already. Just remember what I say in the first few minutes of this video. Someone bought for 43,000, and currently the product is selling around 50,000, 52,000. So if she decide to sell now, her profit will still be around 7,000 per keg. And if she bought 500 keg, it means her profit now is around 3.something million naira in just how many months? Less than 3 months. So if you ask me, it's a good profit margin, and it's a good business to do, because some of you watching this, you have over 10 million, 20 million in your account that you're not using. So and maybe you're looking for business that you can invest money in. So you can just buy your palm oil and keep and resell. It's a good business. It's to give you money. So maybe this will be my last video on this palm oil. Let's move to another product that is coming. But if you still have questions concerning palm oil, you can drop it down for me, And then the state where you can buy cheap palm oil, you can check Akwa Ibom, you can check Enugu, you can check Imo, you can check Anambra, you can check Cross River, right? You can check, we have other states, you can check Kogi, you know. We have many other states that maybe I might not know them. But if you have those states, you can mention them in the comment section so that we all make money in this economy. You're not doing storage just to wicked people, but it's business. You're buying because demand for it is always not the same. That is the truth. The level of demand that palm oil have during December season, or let me say festive season, is not same with this one now. So you're just taking advantage of the natural law of demand and supply to make your money. So thank you so much for staying connected. I hope you manage the quality of the video, because I'm the fan, of course, and I cannot stop bringing you value. So stay connected, subscribe to this channel, and if you love this video, you got value, you can share, because many other people just like you are looking for this kind of information. So you can share the video with them so they can also join and learn. Thank you. I remain Dennison, your billionaire farmer.